Friends, on last classes, I told you the basic rules of speech, how to change from direct to indirect, the basic rules of to change from direct to indirect. There are three basic rules: change of pronoun, change of verb forms, and change of other parts of speech. Now, we will study how to change from direct to indirect according to the sentence of the reporting speech. That is how what he said to me. He said to me, I was waiting for you. This is a direct form of speech, and this is reporting verb, and this is reporting speech. I am telling you that at first you have to check whether this, what kind of sentence this is. It is assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, or exclamative. For all sentences, for assertive, for interrogative, for imperative, for optative, or for exclamatory, the rules will be changed. A little rules will be changed. So we will read according to sentence now. So before changing from direct to indirect, you have to check two things. First one is that which kind of sentence is this? Second, if the reporting verb is in the past tense or not. Remember it. You have to also check whether the verb of reporting your reported speech, it is in past tense or not. If it is in past tense, then the formula of change of verb forms and change of other parts of speech will be applied. Otherwise, change of verb forms, that means change of tense and change of other parts of speech will not be applied. In maximum questions, you will find that in 95% questions are given in questions, the reporting verb is always in past tense. So, at first we are going to learn about assertive sentence. If it is assertive sentence, in assertive sentence, we find two kinds of sentences, that is general statement and universal truth. And I was waiting for you, it is also assertive sentence and it's a general statement. So how will you change? If the reporting verb is in past tense and there is object, then you will change it into told. He said to me, then you will change it to he told me. In place of inverted commas, you will write that. Now you have to check pronouns. There are two pronouns, I and you. I first person. According to the subject of reporting verb, it is he, and I is a nominative case. So nominative form of he is also he. So he. Already you have learned was or were. Was or were will be changed into had been. So he had been waiting for you. Second person according to the object of reporting verb. You with objective case. Objective form of me is also me. So it will be changed. Now, if the reporting speech is in universal truth, suppose the teacher said, the earth is round. Here the earth is round, a sentence of universal truth. So there will be no change, no verb will be changed, no pronoun will be changed, nothing will be changed. So now you have tried only the teacher said that. There is no object, so I have not written told. If there is object, then you have to write told. So no object, so I have not written. It is said, and in place of inverted commas, it is that, and the statement will be written. The same statement. The earth think you have understood it. Assertive sentence, if the reporting speech is in assertive sentence. If it is a general statement, it will be changed according to rule. All rules will be applied when the reporting verb is in past tense. So if it is there is object in the reporting verb, then it will be changed. The verb will be changed to told. If there is no object, then you can write said. Said is not changed. And in place of inverted commas, it is that. And all and the sentence has been changed according to rule. And if it is universal truth, there will be no change. Now we will study our interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. As you know, we generally use two kinds of interrogative sentences: yes no questions and WH questions. So first of all, we will read our yes no questions. Yes no questions. She said to me. She said to me, have you taken my pen? I can give the answer yes or no. So it is said yes no questions. How to change? First of all, the reporting verb will be changed into asked. She asked me. Now you have to check them whether it is yes no question or WH. It is yes no question. If it is yes no question, then in place of inverted commas, if or whether is used. If or whether. So she asked me if or whether. Now in the interrogative sentence you see that the verb is verb and then object and then subject, sorry. But while changing, you have to write a subject first. So you, second person according to object. Me, you is nominative form of me is I. Has is changed into had. If I had taken. My, first person according to subject. My is possessive adjective. The possessive adjective form of she is her. If I had taken her. And in place of question mark, we will use full stop. I think again you have understood. The reporting verb will be changed into asked. In place of inverted commas, if or whether will be used. Second, verb plus subject. The word order. Verb plus subject will be changed into subject plus verb according to rule, and all will be changed accordingly. You have now learned interrogative sentence in yes no questions. Now we will read about WH questions. WH question. He said, what are you doing here? This question is being asked by what? So it is a WH question. What? Whenever you ask a question by what, how, when, where, how, so they are called WH questions. Here the question is being asked by what. So now how will you change? You will change the reporting verb into asked. He asked. There is no object, so no need to write. If you want to write, then you can also write as me, but no need to write. He asked. Now whatever WH word is there, you will write that in place of inverted commas. Again remember, in place of inverted commas, you have to write the same WH word what is given here. What? Again, the word order is verb plus subject. Now you have to write as subject plus verb. What is the consider as me, so it will be I. M is are is changed into was or were. So with I it will be used I was. What I was doing. And here we will change according to the change of other parts of the speech. Here we will change into there. And again it is full stop. So I think you have understood that reporting verb is changed into was. In place of inverted commas, whatever WH word is given, you will write there, and then again subject plus verb. According to rule, you will have to change the statement. So I think you have learned today assertive sentence and interrogative sentence.